Western Massachusetts dug out for more than a foot of snow following yesterday's storm. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko working for you tonight with why it's important to clear the snow from your sidewalk in front of your house.
You could end up getting a fine, but with all the snow we had, that may be no easy task. Many area cities and towns require you to clear your sidewalks within 24 hours of a storm. Yesterday's snowstorm dropped between 12 and 18 inches of snow on parts of western Massachusetts. People have been working hard to clear the snow from the sidewalks. But on some corners, plows have left high snowbanks, making it difficult to remove the snow, especially if you don't own a snowblower. To try and avoid getting a fine, you should contact your city or town's DPW to see if they will remove the snow for you, if they're responsible for putting most of it there in the first place. Fines for not clearing the snow from your sidewalks can range from $25 to as much as $100. Live in Springfield, I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko.